could go on all day with him. Pistol's still out there hunting. So we're going to let him go. I'm going to show you how this little boy is completely focused on fetch. He loves it. He will play until he sleeps. What do you think, Gunner? You want to play some fetch? Okay. Let me see. Let go. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Pistol's out from hunting. Pistol, leave him alone. Pistol! 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 Stop. He's playing, Pistol. Pistol! Go chase your mice. Pistol, we're playing. Pistol! 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 Stop. Knock it off. We were playing fine. Go chase your mice, Pistol, you brat. He didn't see it. He thought I threw it in the front hallway. Good boy, Gunner. Good boy, Gunner. He's saying. So what do you think, Pistol? He's crazy, huh? He is crazy. Yes, he is. Let me see it. Don't jump on him. Ah, Pistol. Pistol. Stop. You be a good boy. Come on, Gunner. Oh, Pistol wants to play now. Oh, gosh. What are you guys doing? Oh, Pistol wants to play now. Crazy dogs. Crazy dogs.